Hi, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Becky Hesseltine, and I wanted to talk to you very briefly about how meditation is supportive of your intuitive development. And a lot of us, we want to be in touch with our inner guidance system, our inner truth, what is feeling right for us. But in our physical lives, we are so distracted. We're distracted by our phones, the screens, our culture, everything on our outside world. But here within is our inner truth. It's our inner teacher. And embarking in that journey of deepening this relationship with yourself, with your own soul, your own spirit, and your inner intuition is a worthwhile endeavor. And I've known in my own experiences that meditation is a practice that is very much supportive of that relationship. And something that you can start to embark on yourself is when you are meditating, you will start to realize you have thoughts, and thoughts will come and go throughout your meditation. But the cool part is that you get to realize the experience of thought versus the experience of your intuition. And the more you do that when you're meditating, the more you could bring that awareness out into your daily life. So with all the distractions that's around you that you're bombarded with, you can find a sense of home, of truth within, and live in alignment with what is in your highest good. I hope that helps. And I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and for guided meditations that I share on a weekly basis. And also, I am an intuitive, psychic, and mediumship development teacher and would love to have folks who are passionate about their own healing journey and who are wanting to embrace and nurture their psychic and mediumship expression to come join my course. It starts in September 2023, and I would love to share some time with you. It's live via Zoom, and check out my website, beckyhesseltine.com, for details. And I look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care. And also feel free to write in the chat if you have any questions or anything you'd like addressed. I'd be happy to share. All right, lots of love. Take care. Bye.